Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your EasyJet boarding pass. First, open the EasyJet app on your device. On the home screen, select My Trips. Then choose the trip you want to tap Check-in. If you have previously submitted your passport or ID details, simply enter your password and tap Retrieve. If not, select No and enter your new details. Continue through the passenger information section. If this is your first time inputting passenger details, you can use the passport scanner feature for added convenience. After entering the necessary information for yourself and any other passengers, select Check-in on the API status screen. Next, go through the extra screen where you can add any last-minute luggage, seat selection, or sport equipment. Then choose the flight you want to check in for. Read the dangerous goods information and tap Yes, Check-in to confirm and proceed. Once the check-in is complete, tap View Boarding Pass to access your pass. After downloading it, you can also access your boarding pass anytime by returning to the home screen and selecting boarding pass. That's how you can easily download your EasyJet boarding pass. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.